Alright, what up? So today we're going to be making a Young Slobe type beat with a loop provided by Jordy. Shout out Jordy, always providing fire. This is the loop we're going to be using. Motherfucker clean. Alright, so we're going to start out with a premix. I'm going to premix the loop real quick, throw some effects, throw some EQs on it. Lower the volume, do some leveling, and then we'll throw in the drums. So as you already know, I like to throw my loops on a mix bus so I can control the volume all at once. So what we're going to do is going to highlight these. And then we'll just change the color so we know that this is our bus. Alright, so we're going to start off with the first stem. We're going to go ahead and throw a parametric EQ on there. Take out some of the high end real quick. And the low end. Again, you do this so your drums can get through. You don't want the loop and the drums to sound muddy. So we'll go ahead and throw in some of the drums real quick.